Kitchen. Today we're going a little retro. We're making an old-fashioned tuna noodle casserole. I probably haven't fixed or had one of these in 30 years. But to get started, I'm going to get off here, and I'm not cooking this whole bag. I'm probably cooking maybe a little over half. Then I'm going to get that cooked and drained and open these cans and drain my tuna, and we'll be back to put everything together. Be right back. Alright guys, sorry. Alright, I've cooked my egg noodles and drained them. First thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 375. In here I have a 12-ounce can of tuna in water that I've drained really well. And if that's not going to be enough, I might double it because I'm going to tuna in mine. I'm pour these warm noodles in here. I'm going to add some dehydrated minced onion. That's all to taste. A 26-ounce can of cream of chicken. You can use cream of mushroom, of course, but y'all know my hubby. Alright, the recipe called for 2 cups of cheddar cheese, but what I did was I cleaned out my refrigerator, and I've got some cheddar, I've got some 3 cheese mix, and some corn. So I'm going to add, let me stir this up first. I'm going to add a variety because, you know, in this house we do love corn.
Because it's made of wood?
Okay, yeah, we read something, the green can, you know, it's got wood pulp or something in it. So I have bought a little bit of it, so. Alright, I'm going to add the cheese. Or should I say the cheese is. I'm going to add some pepper. Now the onions and the pepper are my additions, and those are to taste. I'm not going to add any salt because the soup and the cheeses are already pretty salty. Over here I do have a cup of milk that I'm going to add to loosen it up a little bit, because this is going to cook about half an hour in the oven. Spray my pan here. Rest that a little bit. It's not going to make any difference. Okay. Now let's pour this in here. Then I think that's plenty of tuna. Bring this up. I hope y'all are entering into my big giveaway, my $50 Amazon gift card giveaway. And if you watch it, if you pay attention, I'm asking you to comment something specifically. So, and there's no need to keep commenting. When I do comment picker, there's going to be no they don't do, only one comment's chosen per channel, but that's okay. I'm enjoying it. I'm so excited. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes. After that, I'm going to crush up some potato chips. I said crush up 2 cups of potato chips, and I found these roasted garlic potato chips, and I'm going to crush up, and I'm going to put it on top, and then cook it another 15 minutes until the edges start to bubble. So, I'm putting this
I
in.
know you probably already said it or you were about to, but I didn't hear it, I guess. What temperature?
375.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. So, like I said, 15 minutes, then add the crushed potato chips on top. And then another 15 minutes till the edges start bubbling. Then you're going to let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes. So after everything's done, I'll bring you back and we'll serve this up. It's really late here. Tony was really late getting home. It's almost 9 o'clock here at night. So, alright guys, see you back in a few. Alright guys, our old-fashioned tuna noodle casserole is done. It smells really good in these potato chips, the garlic potato chips. I've also got some peas and carrots that I cooked. I use frozen vegetables, which is just as good as using fresh. I use very few cans. I just like the way frozen vegetables cook up. Alright, let's start serving this.
I think she was stalling.
Hush, Tony. Hey, I already got one guy telling me he's going to put you on the couch. You hear me, Mark? Talking about you, buddy. No, I love my hubby. He's a good man. Him's a hard worker, even if we're eating at 9:30 at night. And we're going to watch Gemini Man. Never saw that. Just found it on Amazon. Said we're going to watch that. Alright guys, our old-fashioned tuna noodle casserole is done. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscriber button. I'd love to have you. And when you do, hit that bell notification. You'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Share this out on your social media. Leave me a comment. And give me a big thumbs up. Also, I want to add a note. As far as the giveaway goes, it's gonna shut down at noon on the 4th at Eastern Standard Time. But at 2 p.m. that day, I'm going to go live and do the random comment picker in front of everybody so everybody sees it. And we're going to go live, so I'm excited to do that. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Y'all have a good one. Supper's ready. Bye.